What's up guys, it's George again here with another quick video. And some problem that you might have if you own a Sony a6000 is that this is a great camera. This is a great overall camera, photos and video. You know, it's a great budget camera because it's like the past model, but it has come down in price, but it's still a pretty nice camera with quality and like stuff like that. So the main problem that I have for using this as a video camera is that it does not have a microphone jack. So the only option that you have is, well, one is like syncing your audio with an external recorder like I'm using right now with my lavalier mic, and then syncing them up in post. But for running gun situations like a blog and stuff like that, it's not that easy to do that. So the easiest way is to mount a microphone directly to the camera so you can sync up the audio and have better quality than the onboard mic, which is good enough, but it's not that great quality. So the only other option that you have is the one that Sony has, which is this. This is an external microphone from some Sony cameras that use the multi-interface hot shoe that it has on top, and it connects directly to the camera. So let's take a look at what's inside here. Okay guys, so now here we have the box of the microphone itself. As you can see here in the model, it says that it's Sony ECM XY ST1M stereo microphone. Okay, so you can see it's a pretty simple box with plastic all around. It's a little bit scuffed, but because I got mine from Amazon warehouse deals, so I can get it a little bit cheaper. This goes around for like $120, I believe so. Yeah. So as you can see in the picture in the box, it's mounted on a video camera. Some old video cameras from Sony that already have they still use the multi-interface shoe. You can use this one as well. You can use this one as well with cameras, newer cameras such as the a6300, a6500, because they still have the multi-interface chip, but they also have some microphone adapter. But still, this is a nice run and gun microphone if you need anything. So let's take it out of the box and see what's inside in the back. Okay, so a lot comes inside the box. So first we have the operating instructions manual. So we'll take a look at that later. Okay, what else? Let's put that aside. We have a nice carry bag. It's made of like soft material. Pretty simple, but very nice. We also have a 3.5 to 3.5 headphone adapter, because you can use this with any other camera, just plugging it into the 3.5mm jack. We also have a furry dead cat wind protector. It looks like it's meant for this microphone. A rubber adapter for the dead cat or furry coat, and the microphone itself. So as you can see, it's like a mini, short shotgun design. On the top is a Sony stereo microphone and model number. Here we have the stereo receivers, which you can angle from 0 degrees up to 120 degrees, depending on the sound that you or the space that you're in. And here we have the screw and adapter, so you can tighten it up while you put it in the camera, and it comes with a protector for the hot shoe. And now you have the multi-interface adapter right in there. So let's put it down. It feels a little bit flimsy, but I believe that's the rubber, so you can stop it from making noise. The lock itself, and also has a mic out, so you can connect the 3.5 out to another camera that does support this and use it as well. On the other side we have the normal and the low cut filter, depending on the noise conditions that you have. Yep, so that's what's in the box. And let's take a look at how it connects to it. And the a6000. Let's plug it right into the hot shoe. Now it's fully functional. So I'll be doing some tests comparing the onboard microphone from the a6000 and the difference between this microphone. Okay, so this is a test with the Sony a6000 built-in mic with some fan noise and computer noise in the background at the same distance that I usually record. It's about 6 feet from where I'm sitting right now. So this is how it sounds. We're going to switch to the multi-interface stereo microphone from Sony. Okay, so now we turn on the low pass filter or low cut filter, let's call it this microphone. So that's how it sounds, the same distance, 6 feet away from me, and yeah, the same conditions. Okay guys, well, this was a quick unboxing and some quick tests using the Sony stereo microphone that I'm going to use with the a6000 just to try some things. I'm going to use this primarily for like vlogging style, or just like make some ambient noise better in situations where you can't lapel someone, or you know, like use a big microphone just to set it up, like I don't know, you're in a concert or you know, stuff like that, so we can capture better audio directly to the camera. So yeah, that's the main use I'm going to give it to this microphone. For my videos, I'm still thinking I'm going to use the lapel microphone when I'm far away from the camera, but for, you know, like arm length recording, like with a Gorilla Pod, or maybe for some events like wedding. And the main use I'm going to give this one is for when I mount this camera onto my 3-axis gimbal, my TechDoc. Check the video up there. I'm going to leave it in the link because I'm going to get like better sound like for the event, so I can sync it up with the music better and stuff like that. So I think that's going to be the main use, vlogging and for some events recording the video. Okay, so I hope this was useful for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.